Welcome to Vibratech Trainers and Consultant Private Limited. We are going to see an interesting case study on fan. This is applicable for all types of industrial fan. Case study prepared by Vijayakrishnan Venugopal, Director of Vibratech Trainers and Consultants Private Limited, Chennai. He is a chartered engineer with more than 35 years of experience. He is an international vibration consultant and ISO certified vibration analyst Cat 3 certificate holder. Also, he is certified maintenance and reliability professional from SMRP. Fan we are going to see is directly driven by a motor of capacity 7.5 kilowatts and running at 2880 RPM. The fan is mounted on steel frame on concrete floor at ground level without any anti-vibration mountings. Vibration measurements are taken in all three directions: horizontal, vertical, axial, in each locations. Measurement locations are motor non-drive end bearing, motor drive end bearing. Vibration data are collected in terms of displacement in microns peak to peak and velocity in millimeters per second peak. Now onto the vibration limits. As per ISO standard and with our previous experience, when the velocity falls below 6.58 millimeters per second peak, it's considered as good. When the velocity falls between 6.58 to 15.8 millimeters per second peak, it is considered as fair. And when the velocity falls above 15.8 millimeters per second peak, it is considered to be rough. The problem that the plant officials were facing was very high vibration when they run the fan with high RPM motor. Due to this high vibration, there is a frequent failure of bearing in motor. So, they replaced the motor as low RPM motor. Impeller also replaced with indigenous one. Vibration got reduced. But, they can't able to achieve the required flow rate. So they use compressor for achieve the required flow rate. This is not a cost-effective idea, so they want to reduce the vibration with high RPM motor to achieve the required flow rate. The fan was taken up for vibration study. The vibration was within the limits with lower RPM motor. Due to damage of old impeller, they decided to run the fan with new impeller itself. After replaced motor as high RPM Siemens motor, the vibration was very high. It was indicating 7580 microns and 115.9 millimeters per second at motor D horizontal direction with damper open condition. They faced some electrical problem in this motor, so they decided to replace the motor with Crompton Greaves motor from the store. With this motor also the vibration was very high. It was indicating 784 microns and 115.9 millimeters per second in motor NDE horizontal direction with damper close condition. The equipment is in very rough category. While analyzing the fan, unbalance in the fan impeller was indicated. So the fan impeller was taken up for in situ dynamic balancing. A correction weight of 23 grams was added to reduce the vibration levels from 784 microns and 115.9 millimeters per second to 58 microns and 8.2 millimeters per second. The health condition of the equipment is in very rough to fair category. Unbalance of the impeller was reduced, but still it was 58 microns and 8.2 millimeters per second peak because of indigenous impeller. So we suggested them to discuss with OEM for suitable impeller for this fan. Comparison spectrums before and after balancing. Vibratech cater among all major industrial sectors. We conduct vibration analysis level 1 and 2 training programs online and also in plant. ISO certified vibration analyst category 1, category 2, category 3 training and examination. Services we provide are vibration analysis, in situ dynamic balancing, laser alignment, motor current signature analysis, thermography, building or ground vibration measurements. We also market and provide service for machinery vibration analyzers and meters, and low frequency building vibration analyzers.